And I also comb my hair sometimes. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be filming a everyday school makeup look. Is that what it is? That's what it is. I'm not really good at makeup, so that's why there's somewhere in this title it's going to say beginner's look, because I'm a beginner. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to be starting off with my MAC foundation, and I'm just applying it with my Dirty Beauty blender, but it shall work. Alright, so since this is an everyday makeup look, I usually use like a BB cream or like a drugstore foundation. Like Fit Me is really good, but my Fit Me is running out, which kind of sucks. And it's also a shade lighter than it's supposed to be, so I'm using my MAC foundation. Alright, so for concealer, I'm just going to be using my Rimmel London concealer in the shade Soft Honey, and I just apply it under my eyes and on my forehead. So now I'm just gonna go in with some bronzer. Oh my, no English. I'm gonna go in with some bronzer. Wow! Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with some bronzer and just add a little bit to my cheeks. Now for blush, I'm just gonna be using my NYX Sweet Cheeks blush palette, and I'm just gonna be using this peachy tone and then the peachy highlight that comes with it. I used to do like, whoa, I just broke it. Oops. Anyways, I used to do a very like gold highlight to school, but then recently I've been more into the pinky tones. I'm going to be using this Mega Nude palette, and again, I used to do a lot of gold smoky eyes, but now I just kind of stick to brown tones for school, and so I just usually do like this dark brown and then a darker brown on the outer crease. Girl, I used to do blue eyeliner to school. It was a look. To take that lighter brown and go underneath my eye so it looks more complete. I don't know, whatever it does, I do it. And then mascara time. See, this is really the make or break of the makeup look, because when mascara gets on your eyeshadow, it's like the worst feeling ever. So for my mascara, I'm just using my Maybelline mascara, and this is like my top drugstore mascara. I'm gonna have to go closer to this mirror, I can't see anything. I put some gold highlight in the inner corner so I could look awake at school, even though I'm never awake and always tired. Next is eyebrows. I can't really do anything to help my eyebrows, but you know, a girl's gotta try sometimes. It's all about the effort. Life tip. Y'all might be wondering, where's your eyeliner in your everyday makeup? I don't do eyeliner. Ew, I don't do. Then I just do that. Yeah.
Comb it out.
Comb it out. There we go. And I also comb my hair sometimes. So this lipstick is from Milani. It's in the shade called Matte Beauty 69, and it's been featured in I think a lot of our monthly favorites because we wear it every month, every day. Excuse me, I'm trying to film. People out here having emergencies, like dang. It's kind of insensitive, isn't it? My bad. I swear I'm a nice person. Now I'm gonna apply lipstick, and I'm just doing this like pinky shade by Milani, and it's called Matte Beauty shade number 69. Alright, so that's all for this makeup look. Hope you guys enjoyed, and as usual, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. Why do I say subscribe?